I'm going to show you how to apply a vinyl decal to a window, and I have a piece of glass here that I'm going to go ahead and apply it to. This would be similar to your car window, though that would be rounded. You need to make sure that you have some rubbing alcohol and you have a credit card that you can use to scrape the top of this. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my surface. So just a little bit of rubbing alcohol will make sure that it's clean. We'll make sure that there's no debris or anything sticky that's going to mess up the decal, and then it's going to ensure that since it's clean, it's going to stick really well. So let me set this aside. So we're going to talk about the decal. You have a couple parts to this. You have a sticker on the top. This is the transfer tape that's going to help transfer the decal to the car, and then you also have the paper backing. And so it would be a good idea to go ahead and take your card and burnish the top of this, just kind of at an angle, glide your hand over. You want to entirely remove the paper backing, and you can see that sometimes this transfer tape doesn't always want to stick like that. So if you are peeling the paper away, it's going to help it stick to the surface. So you're peeling the paper rather than peeling the sticker. Okay, so I've removed my vinyl decal from the backing, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my glass. So I would watch for fingerprints as you do this, and like making this dirty, you really want to like stay away from the area that you want to apply it. So you're going to go ahead and hold it and kind of think about where do you want to place this. Once you put this down, you're really pretty stuck on where it goes. It's not easy to pull this back up and reposition it. So if you need another person there to kind of look at what you're doing and give you some guidance, that would be a good thing. So you're going to go ahead and figure out where this is going to go, place this down, okay, kind of get it stuck by just pressing lightly with your hand. I would take that card again and go over the surface, and then you're going to peel that decal or peel the transfer tape up. And so I'm like folded, or I've folded this all the way over, and I'm just peeling this part off. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my fingers and just kind of go over it again, make sure that it's really every part of that has stuck. And I would just keep this, I don't know, out of the elements at least for a day, and make sure that this really seals. It's going to kind of cure and stick to the window and give it a permanent effect, unless you were to take a razor blade and scrape and peel that off. So this is how you would apply it. Let me know if you need help or if you run into any problems.